today's all about doing the beaks. So when you figure out whatever your base of your bird is, there's some really simple ways that we can do a beak. You can just do a simple triangle on there. You can do something where it's more of an open, so like they're talking away. Make that a little bit more pointed. And you could also do a hook. Kind of like the hooks myself. I kind of like them colored in, but you don't have to do that. That's up to you. You can also do a curved one, you know, where it can be curved down. Or you could do one that is curved up and see what that gets you. It's fun to kind of just play around. And then the very last one is think about doing something that's super slender. You know, some birds, they have such slender little beaks. So play around with your beaks today.